All right, welcome back, everybody. We are going to go ahead and crack the last two boxes of this case here. We are down to boxes 3 and 4. Boxes 1 and 2 are a little light. These are just the biggest highlights of the first two. Got 2 extended arts, which is kind of unusual in the case so far. Move that to the side a little more, but only 1 cold foil out of the first two boxes. So still looking for some sort of Marvel, possibly, or looking for Legendary of some sort. With the Legendaries, looking that up, it's for a rainbow foil, it's 1 in every 80 packs. So typically looking at one per case. Sometimes you hit 2. Cold foils are 1 in every 220 packs. So that's going to be a couple more boxes than just a single case. But I have seen or have personally opened cases with multiple Legendaries and cold foil within them. I don't think I've ever hit a case without a cold foil, so really hoping that I don't start that trend here. Let's kind of fix these piles up a bit. So yeah, hoping that I don't start that trend here and do see some more cold foils, some more Legendaries, even a Fabled. That'd be awesome to hit. But I will take any Marvel as well. Those are always a nice surprise, nice value in that. But one Majestic for the case so far, or for the box. Not seeing too much spice. There's a Frightmare. That card looks like it could have some promise, but it's a little tough to manage. So hoping maybe it with some of the next or some of the upcoming sets, maybe there's something in there that will help support it, help boost its value or its ability to happen. It's fairly easy to destroy it with a Phantasm, but see if there's maybe something else that you can be playing that will help it out. What does it say it does again exactly? Only if an illusionist attack. Yeah. So not only it is 3 to play, only pitches for 1, but it does require that you've had an illusionist attack destroyed by Phantasm already. So you got to find some way to get go again after the card gets destroyed. But that can always be the use of a dragon or something. I think who's the one that gives you the additional turn or the additional go again, or action points. Third Majestic in the box. Tome of Duplicity. Still searching for the cold foil in this. There's a Vipox, Cold Snap. Come on, let's see some hotness already. First 2 boxes were they were all right. I think the only what saved them were some of the regular Majestics in there that were pulled, but some of the other stuff made it not only pulling 1 cold foil in the box or in the first 2 boxes kind of took down the value a little bit, but still no cold foil there. Correction to my last video, it is 1 in every 24 packs is the quoted pull rate for a cold foil, so not the 1 in 22 that I was thinking of previously. I think 1 in 22 was a different set. That might have been Crucible of War or one of the other sets. All right, Liquefy. There's our 5th Majestic. Still no Rainbow Foil Majestic yet. again, if you're liking the content, feel free to hit the like button for me. Throw some comments out there. Subscribe to the video. Burn them all. That's a fourth burn them all out of this case. It's not bad for value there, but I'd rather see, well, I'll take a rainbow foil or a cold foil of that bad boy as well. That'll boost some of the value up here. But yeah, hit the like button, subscribe, leave me some comments. Try to respond if the comments are worthy of a response. Keep the channel going. Try and gain some popularity here, and see if we can get some people watching. All right, Style and Stilettos. There we go. There's a cold foil in the box. So that gives us 2 for the case. I did remember my sleeves this time, so we're going to go ahead and sleeve that bad boy up. Will say though, I have seen better cases. Honestly, I'm not sure if I've seen worse cases yet. It's been a little rough. All right, Invoke Dominia. 2, 4, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 Majestics so far. Regular Majestics. No rainbow foil yet. I do have 1 in the Silent Stilettos cold foil, so at least I'm not gonna be disappointed to not see 1 in this box. So good that we don't have 2. So there's a foil burn away, and it's no cold foil. And 2 more rares and a yellow Rise from the Ashes. There's another regular yellow Rise from the Ashes and a common foil. All right, last 2 packs of box 1. Last 2 packs of box 1. And we get another foil. All right, there's a cold foil. There's our foil rare, foil Majestic with Uprising, namesake of the set. But playmat in the background. This case is starting to feel like a shitty Christmas present. All right, so 1 cold foil for the box 1. Go ahead and stick these commons into this box so I can get them out of the way for the next. And we will continue on box 2. Totals, we got 1 foil Majestic, 4 foil rares, and 2, 4, 6, 7 regular Majestics. So see if we can do something about those totals, get those up a little bit. But into box number 4. All right, pack 1, box 4 underway. You can see all the silver dust from these packs all over my hands, and those do not belong there. Starting a new pile, gotta remember that. All right, Ice Eternal. That might not have been too bad had it not been a... Oh, okay. All right, well, got the tokens mixed in the middle here, but unless I did something there, but I don't think I did. But Ice Eternal might have been a little better had it not been a promo and thousands of them being printed. Had some value to start with, but they still haven't found their place quite out there. All right, first Majestic, Frost Hex. Jeez, these packs are all kinds of screwed up. All right, well, there's a cracked bauble and token. No cold foils in there. See if that trend continues with that's just a messed up box or what's going on. There's 2. All right, geez, oh man, there's our third extended art of the case. I don't see these often, and I am just choking on them now. Really hoping that these extended arts aren't there and taking the place of the cold foils or legendaries. Still haven't hit a legendary in the case. Not guaranteed. Like I said, it is one every 80 packs, and these boxes could have been in the middle somewhere of those 80 packs on two different sides. At least that pack is okay. Just 2 tokens in the back. But yeah, really hoping to see a legendary here, and one of the better, one Mana Flame Scale Furnace or a Crown of Providence. There's our second Majestic. All right, well that helps a little bit. Foil that all you got. So that'll be our next. No cold foil there, and just commons. Your second foil Majestic in this 2-box opening here. So there we go. Well, got a Rainbow Legendary. Not bad. Ghostly Touch. Not the worst one in the group of them, but not the best. I was hoping for Flame Scale Furnace or the Crown, but I'll take either. I'm not sorry. I'm not complaining. Hitting the odds, so that's what we're looking for. Sleeve up that all you got. There's some value in that. And where's the opening? Come on. There it is. All right. Well, case or box number 4 looking up. Don't know if I'm getting my value back on the case, but that's fine. It's not a bad case opening. Still seeing a legendary is good in there. So there's our second foil rare, and we got these fucked up packs that are just backwards commons. Let's hope that doesn't affect the cold foil or the fact that there might not be a cold foil in the box. Better not be that way. All right, Rebellious Rush, common. There's 2, and just making sure. Just want to make sure that there isn't something weird in the middle of those that I'm just gonna stick with the commons and then not see and forget about. So rare. There's a common, and this pack is the same way. There's a bunch of backwards. I feel like these are, I don't know. I haven't been paying attention that much, but I guess they are all. I feel like they've been the same ones, but doesn't. I'll try and figure that out here. I'll set those there. See if this one is like that. Number 3. Yeah, I mean some of the same stuff, but it's not like there's a. Yeah, no, okay. Just borders make it look the same, so yeah. All right, moving on. Just gonna deal with that for the rest of the box, most likely. All right, rare, critical strike, common, 2. There's our flips. Yeah. All right, a little over halfway done with this box here, so getting into the last third of the box. Rare. All right, there's finally another Majestic number 3 with a Liquefy. Oh, I was gonna say that one had 3, but that's because I was trying to throw the common foil in with the rest. All right, come on, we're still searching for that cold foil here. Let's see that cold foil. Said if you're liking the videos, hit the like button for me, subscribe, comment, leave a comment, let me know how I'm doing. Let me know if there's any other content you want to see. Think I should change anything in my openings. Appreciate those who already have subscribed. There's a Blaze Headlong, not the extended art. Come on. This might be the saddest case. 3 extended arts, nothing to laugh at. Like I said, I've opened multiple cases in a row without seeing one. All right, combustion point. There's our 4th majestic. Let's move those down a little, give some more space. Common, Oasis Respite. That pack opened a little easier. Let's see a Fabled. Still have yet to crack a Fabled on the channel. That one's a little different. 4 and then 3. They're starting to correct themselves. I don't know. We'll see. Rewind. All right. Wish that card had a little more value to it. Just really kind of did a little specking on it, and not too much. It's not like I dove headfirst into purchases, but did a little specking on that in the alternate backward version. Erase face. There we go. That one looks good. That all you got in an erase face in this box. Not bad for foil majestics. Probably 2 of the better that you could get. Get that bad boy sleeved up. So this box is definitely picking things up. Extended art. 2 foil majestics, 2 rainbow foil majestics, and a rainbow foil legendary. Still searching for that cold foil. Still looking for it, and a bunch of fucked up packs with cards backwards in them. Come on. Got about 4 packs left in the box. Let's see something. 2 common cold foils is not what I was expecting. There's a foil rare. That makes foil rare number 4. And no cold foil. All right, yeah, 4 packs, including this one left. Let's see something here. See the Icelander. Let's get the Icelander. Let's get the freaking Fabled. Nothing. Nothing there. Finish off the right side. Leave the lucky left. It's the last 2 packs. Anything. Nope. And nothing. Some bitch. This isn't good. 2 common cold foils. Those are, he said, playmat's saying it all. Maybe this playmat's a curse. Alright, there's another majestic. Shitty Christmas present equals shitty box openings. That's what we're looking for here. Last pack. Come on, let's do it. Last pack. Last pack. There's a foil rare. There's our messed up. Unfucking real. All right. Yeah, that was pretty garbage. 2 cold foils. 2 cold foils. At least saving grace in these last 2 boxes. Take the extended art, but damn, I'd rather have the cold foils over the extended arts. I'm not playing these. I think I've got my play sets already. I don't need any extras. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching. Sorry that the video didn't turn out as spectacular as some of the previous ones. I guess that's what happens when you rip 3 cold foils in a single box. You can rip 2 boxes and not see a single one. So, all right. But yep. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave some comments. I'll get back to you. Have a good one.